In those days, Preeti, there was no communication except the print media and telephones. And by word of mouth. So people had slowly started hearing about this Tamil girl, middle class girl in a sari singing in a nightclub and singing Western songs. They couldn't believe it actually. So it was incongruous, the two
So you
things.
got your Kanjivaram sari.
Yeah. So then I went from Bombay, I came to Calcutta. Alone. And
Your folks allowed you to do that?
Yeah, can you imagine?
Wow.
It was really something.
That was something.
That was really something. And
nobody do that even now there'll be issues.
Entry into Calcutta. I was so excited with the lights and, getting into Trinkas in the night to meet Miss Joshua and Mr. Puri. It was just like unbelievable for me. And I got into the nightclub and then they were very, very happy to see me. And, everything just worked out. I was opening on the Thursday, I think. And so we did the rehearsals and everything. And on my premiere night, I met the scandal that I had.
You met the scandal that you had?
I had one scandal in my life and I married it. Yeah, that's so sweet, isn't it?
But what I love is that, and that's the ability to look back and self-deprecative humor.
Yeah,
it's amazing.
It's really fantastic the way it all happened. And he was in the front table and, you could almost hear the front benches when they announced Usha, coming up in a sari. And, you could almost hear them say, oh gosh, what is this Amma going to do? And then I came up and I sang my songs and people were really shocked. First they came out of curiosity. Then they came because they liked what I was doing or they connected with what I was doing. So if you couldn't get Frank Sinatra or you couldn't get Ella Fitzgerald, at least you had an Usha who was singing, hello, Dolly, well, hello, Dolly, it's so nice to have you back. Or if I was doing all of me, why not take all of me? They can't have Frank Sinatra, so they're happy to connect with me. And slowly...
And at this time, you were just doing English covers.
English covers.
Right.
But in those days, we never called it covers.
Oh, all right.
We just called it an interpretation. I mean, Ella Fitzgerald was doing Paul Simon. I was doing the Beatles. Frank Sinatra was doing Paul Simon. They all gave tribute, yeah.